Alright. It's the first time I have ever done the cinnamon test. Now step away. I'm going to put the cinnamon in my mouth and see my reaction. I've never done this before. Okay, here we go. Keep going.
You smell like cinnamon and pumpkin pie. Very lovely. You know, swallowing too much cinnamon can make you die.
I didn't swallow any of it. Okay, stop.